What? Bring it here. Carrie, get the ball. Get the ball. I said eat the little dog. Poor Carrie. Get the ball. Get the ball. You ready? Get the ball. Get the ball. Are you ready? Carrie? What are you doing, cat? He's a goofy, ain't he? He was chewed on. Well, couldn't get her playing with the ball very much, so we just get her playing with the cat. Nope, she's coming to me. Carrie, you ready? You ready? Ready? Get the ball. Get the ball. Bring it here. Carrie, you forgot the ball. I gotta get the ball. Carrie, you ready? You ready? Get the ball. Bring it here. Come on. Cat ruined it all. He ruined it all. Curry, get the ball over here. Well, you deserved that. We were on a roll. You gonna get the ball? Get the ball, Curry. I guess Curry must have bit his tail too hard. And they're out of here. There you are. Okay, you ready? Carrie, you ready? Get the ball. Bring it here. Carrie, bring it here. Bring it here, girl. Well, she tried. We'll try it again. Carrie. Hey, you ready? You ready? Ready? Get the ball. Bring it here. Bring it here. Carrie, bring it here. She got sidetracked again. She sees the cat. And she's out of here. Oh, missed that. Okay. Come here, girl. You ready? Are you ready? Get the ball. Bring it here. Carrie, bring the ball. Come on, bring me the ball. Oh, you look, not you. Are you ready? Get the ball. Oh. Bring it here. Bring it here. She ain't gonna bring it here. Poof. Get the ball. She quit on me. Okay, let's get another one. Gary, you ready? Get the ball. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Well, you want to play some more? Gary, you ready? Good girl. Oops, she's going to take off with it. Curry, bring it here. Curry, Curry, bring the ball. She's gonna let it go over the hill. Maybe not. Oh yeah, good deal, good deal, good girl. All right, let's get it back up here. You ready? Bring it here. Ready? Get the ball. She don't need nobody to play with, can you tell? Oh, I think she got stuck in a ditch. There we go. Up the hill we go with it, I guess. Yep, she quit. You quit on us, girl. Get the ball. Get the ball. Come on, get the ball. Get it. I said, no, I'm tired. Well, y'all, that's it. Y'all enjoy. Have a good day, and we'll see you on the next one.